Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily create metallic silver logo like these with AI. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, which is by far one of the best AI logo generators I have found. To begin, I'll head over to the Leonardo AI website, click on the Launch App button and log in. Then I will click the Image Generation option to open up the magic screen. On the right side, I will set things up by making sure the Leonardo Phoenix preset is selected. Next, go to the Prompt Enhance option and turn it off. Move to Preset Style and choose None. I will make sure the contrast is set to high. For this tutorial, I will also change the image dimensions to 16 by 9, but you can leave everything else as is. Now, it's time for the prompt, which says, bold, all caps letters words, you after gamers in a bracket, industrial sci-fi font, set against a dark background, high-tech aesthetic, high contrast color palette of deep blue and silver with subtle neon accent. Once you're done with the prompt, you can now click the Generate button. After a couple of seconds, 4 images will be generated. Some designs might have a few mistakes, and if you don't like them, you can always click on the Generate button again. But I'm really loving this one here, so I'll click the Download button to save it. Next, I am going to show you how to add an image by tweaking the prompt. I'll add silhouette of man holding a gun on top and remove the deep blue color from the prompt. Then I'll regenerate the logo. Check out the results. It has more details and it's a perfect fit for any edgy brand. So, that's how you can easily create a metallic silver logo with AI. Feel free to tweak the prompt as you like. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials like this, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Until next time, bye.